Hello everyone, my name is Kuldeep Singh Rathod and welcome in GetWala platform. As you guys know, whenever any important updates and informations are available, we will try to provide you as soon as possible on GetWala platform, so you guys are aware from each and every type of details related to your career. If we talk about guys today's important notifications, then Canara Bank released their official recruitment for a specialist officer on contractual basis, and the positions are available for technical domain. So guys, those students who have eligibility, they can apply. The starting date of online application is 6 January 2025 and the last date of online application is 24 January 2025. The online test date will be announced later. And so guys, there are multiple different positions vacancies are available, like application developers, cloud administrators, cloud security analyst and data analyst, database administrator, data engineer, data mining expert, data scientist, ethical hacker and penetration tester. So there are many other vacancies are available for different domains, so they bifurcate each and every positions, and the maximum age limit is 35 years for general category, and if you belong to any other category you will have some age reductions. The age and everything is count based on 1 December 2024. Rest guys, if we talk about like you belong to scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, then 5-year age reduction, OBC student 3-year age reduction, person with benchmark disability, here you can observe the age reduction is 10 year. So guys, there are many different vacancies are available. The examination pattern is 70 number of questions from professional knowledge and 25 number of questions from logical reasoning, 75 marks for professional knowledge and 25 marks for logical reasoning. Total 100 number of questions for 100 marks and 2 hours is total duration. Rest guys, they will invite you after online written test marks, and then invitation percentage is 1/6 ratio. After that you need to go for a like interview and they will shortlisted you finally. The negative marking is also there for 0.25 marks. And guys, the eligibility is also mentioned here. There are approximately 51 page PDF, so every type of details like which type of documents are required and how the complete recruitment process will go on. So this type of things are available here. The application fees is 0, so you don't need to pay any application fees. The document size of your documents, everything is mentioned in this PDF. So guys, if we talk about the salary package, then you will receive the amount between 18 to 27 LPA per annum, and this contract is for 1 year, and they will also extend it for 2 years if the Canara Bank recruitment is there. Rest guys, you need at least 3-year experience or 2-year experience in the different job profiles. So these vacancies are available for experienced personnel. Here you can observe you need a BE Tech degree, and your BE Tech degree should be in like computer science, information technology, electronics discipline, communication discipline, or MCA students are also eligible. So if you have like experience of 2-year or 3-year, then you have eligibility here. So guys, those students who want to apply, they can apply. We will try to provide you different type of notification as per the need of different type of students. So guys, in whatever notifications you have eligibility, you can apply on that particular notification. Rest you can join Kuldeep_PW Telegram channel, and where you are able to find out each and every type of details. Rest see you in another video. Till then, goodbye, take care.